Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a rare but nice machine here. This is a lighter machine. It's a Moffett M40E. This thing is fast. It really moves out. And take a look at the special tires here. Looks like you have a wider frame, little thinner tires, but this would be a great sod or farming unit, or if you need something a little lighter that's a little faster, this thing will get the job done. It can live 4,000 pounds. Now take a look here. Nice hydraulic fluid, ladies and gentlemen. Now what we've done here is we've taken this thing in, pressure leak test it. We look for anything bad we can find, such as leaks in cylinders, in wheel motors. We test the hydraulic pressure, make sure your pump's good. Anything we find bad, we go ahead and fix it. You can see there's a new hose there. We find anything bad, such as pins or bushings or worn, mass bearings, chains, anything of that matter, it's gone ahead and taken care of if it's bad. Then what we do is we disassemble it. We take the cage off, the battery cover, some of these other parts that are easily removed. Also the diamond plating, ladies and gentlemen, the seats removed. That way we can get in there, clean things nicely, paint the gray and the red separately. That way everything has a nice coat on it, and then we put it back together so we have a long-lasting finish. Now let's take a look back here, ladies and gentlemen. This door is very domed here, so it's probably a longer wheelbase. Yes, as you can see, the wheel's not inside the frame, it's outside the frame, the wheel bearing here, the wheel turning bearing. This thing is a little wider wheelbase, it's gonna have a nice stance for you. Take a look how nice, how clean everything is in here. We've changed the oil, ladies and gentlemen, and date code the filter so you can hit the ground running. As you can see, new decals everywhere with your paint job. Let's take a look at this motor here. You got yourself a V1505 engine. Jake, will you open this up for me? So I'm going to go ahead and round it. It's got an extra safety on it. So we're going to open up so you can see this engine. Look how clean everything is here. Engine bay's looking great. Take a look at your engine here. This is the smaller engine, but this thing's not as big of a unit. You see, it gets you better fuel efficiency. Your grill's nice and straight and clean. Brand new tires all the way around. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fire this baby up and show you how well she runs. Shut the hood here. Hear that Kubota come to life. I'm going to show you the mass operations. There's your mass going up and down. Man, this thing's fast. There's your tilt. Side shift. We have outriggers. We'll also show the mass going in and out. Nice and tight, ladies and gentlemen. This thing's fast. Look how tight and how the steering's nice and firm. All your hydraulic motors are in sync. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to love this unit. It's so rare. Now, don't worry about the hours. We're going to go ahead and guarantee this when it shows up. It's going to be condition I've shown you here, or we're going to back you up and get it fixed. So you can buy this thing touchlessly. The operational guarantee is when it shows up, so there's no disappointments. Once you have it and go to work, we're going to go ahead and back the engine up for 30 more days. So it's just a very short-term operational guarantee. It's going to be the condition I've shown you. See, as you can see, we've taken many things apart, new nuts and bolts all over the place here. So ladies and gentlemen, you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com, lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Check out a lot of new bulbs, new LED. You're going to really like this baby. Thanks for checking it out.